Namaskar, welcome to Sri Nansagar coaching classes. Today we discuss about the practice set 1.5 of the chapter first of mathematics part 1. Now student, in this practice set we take its applications of the simultaneous equations. Means we have to take here word problems. You have to write whatever we have to study up to this. We have to use to solve these examples of the practice set. So take the first example of the practice set 1.5. Now the first example is question number first. Two numbers differ by 3. Differ म्हणजे दोघांचा फरक हा 3चा आहे. The sum of twice the smaller number म्हणजे छोट्या नंबरची twice त्याची ॲडिशन ही कोणाबरोबर आहे and thrice the greater number म्हणजे मोठ्या नंबरची 3 पट आणि लहान नंबरची 2 पट यांची ॲडिशन म्हणजे बेरीज ही किती आहे 19. फाइंड द नंबर्स म्हणजेच आपल्याला इथे ग्रेटर अँड द स्मॉलर नंबर फाइंड करायचे. मग असे जे एक्झाम्पल असतील त्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये ग्रेटर अँड स्मॉलर नंबर कोणताही मानून घ्या आणि नंतर हे उदाहरण सॉल्व करा. सो सिंपल, लुक केअरफुली हाऊ टू सॉल्व इट. नाउ सोल्यूशन. लेट द ग्रेटर number be x, comma, and the smaller number be y. Then by using the first condition, two numbers are differ by 3. So I have to write here from first condition. From first condition. What is this condition? They are differ by 3. म्हणजे दोघांचा फरक हा 3चा आहे. मग आता फरक काढताना आपल्याला मोठ्या संख्येतून लहान संख्या वजा करायला लागेल. सो we take the first equation is x minus y is equals to 3. This is our equation number first. Now then observe the sum of the twice of the smaller number. So I have to first take twice the smaller number. Now twice the smaller number is equals to, now here is smaller number y, so its twice is twice y. Then thrice the greater number, here thrice the greater number. Greater number is x here, so that thrice is 3x. Then the sum म्हणजे बेरीज, दोघांची बेरीज किती 90. Their sum is equals to 90. So I have to write here first take greater number 3x plus this 2y is equals to sum is how much 90. This is equation number second. Can you understand these two conditions? First condition x minus y is equals to 3. Equation first. Second one is 3x plus twice y is equals to 19. Equation number second. Observe carefully this first and second equation. Here is, if you multiply the first equation by 2, then here is minus 2 and here is plus 2. By adding these two equations, this get cancelled. So I have to multiply here. Multiply equation first by 2. We get. I have to directly write this. When we multiply it, then the equation first become 2x minus 2y is equals to 3 2 is 6. Suppose that this is equation number 3. Now student, observe equation second and third. If you adding these two equations, then twice y get cancelled. So I have to write here adding equation second and third. Now the second equation is 3x plus 2 2y is equals to 19. This is equation number second. And third one is 2x minus 2y is equals to 6. This is equation number third. Now when we adding it, the addition becomes this plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled. Y also. Then addition becomes 5x is equals to 19 plus 6 becomes 25. Therefore x is equals to 25 upon 5. The simplification is 5. Therefore the value of x is equals to how much? 5. Now we substitute this value of x in any equation. But very simple one is the first equation. So I have to substitute this value into this equation number first. So I have to write here substituting x is equals to 5 in equation first. The equation first is x minus y is equals to how much? 3. Substitute the value of x is 5. 5 minus y is equals to this is 3. Transpose this 5 to this another side, we get that minus y is equals to 3 minus 5. Therefore minus y is equals to minus 2. Both having minus sign, so I am changing their sign also. Therefore y is equals to how much? 2. Hence here is x is 5 and y is equals to 2. X is the greater number and y is the smaller number. Therefore the given numbers are 5 and 2. Therefore I have write the answer in full sentence. Answer. Therefore the greater number is the greater number is x is equals to 5 and the smaller number is y is equals to 2. Now this is the answer of the first question, means that the two numbers are 5 and 2. Can you understand this? Okay. Then we take second question, complete the following. Now here is given here, I am a rectangle. The length of the rectangle is twice x plus y plus 8 and 4x minus y. And this is the breadth. Breadth of rectangle is 2y and x plus 4. By this we can find out the value of x and y. Then we can find my perimeter and area. म्हणजेच परिमिती आणि त्याचे क्षेत्रफळ आपल्याला काढायचं. Okay, all of you know that the rectangle having length and breadth means that the opposite sides of the rectangles are equal, so that its length is equal and breadth is also equal. So the solution of this equation, we know the opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Therefore the opposite side we take here, this is the length, so take here 2x plus y plus 8 is equals to, this is the length, 4x minus y. Then transpose this 4x and minus y to this side and 8 to this side. We get that 2x minus 4x plus this y, then transpose this plus y is equals to this 8, convert to another side, it becomes minus 8. Then subtraction of these two is minus 2x. Addition of these two is plus 2y is equals to how much? Minus 8. Student, we can divide both sides by this 2. So divided both sides by 2 we get. Now this division is minus x plus y is equals to minus 4. Then I have to changing their sign. Therefore, this sign when changes, we write here x minus y is equals to 4 is our equation number first. Then we take the next values here. Now we use first opposite side in that length, then also use the breadth. Breadths are also equal, so that by using this, 2y is equals to x plus 4. X plus 4 means transpose this x to this side, we get that minus x plus 2y is equals to how much? 4. Also changing the sign, we get this is x minus 2y is equals to minus 4. This is equation number, suppose that second. Observe first and second. Now x, there is also x. Both having coefficient is 1, having same sign. So we subtract these two equations. Then we get subtracting equations first and second. Now the first equation is x minus y is equals to 4. Equation number first. And second is x minus 2y is equals to minus 4. This is equation number second. Student, when we subtract this, then the signs of second equations were changes. So the sign of the second equation plus convert as minus, this minus convert as plus, this minus also converted as plus. Now then this x and this x get cancelled. Then addition of this remaining variable is plus 2y and minus y becomes only 1y, having positive sign because here is plus for this 2y. Then 4 plus 4 is equals to how much? 8. Then we substitute this value into equation first or second. So I have to put this value into equation number first. Here substituting y is equals to 8 in equation again first. Now the equation first is x minus y is equals to 8. X minus y is equals to 4. Then we substitute the value of y is 8 here. So x minus 8 is equals to 4. This 8 transposed to this another side. X is equals to 4 plus 8. Means that x is equals to how much? 12. Now we find here the value of y and x. Then by using this we can find out its length and breadth also. So first I have to find out its length. Therefore length of rectangle is equals to, here is length is L, is how much? Suppose that this is L, is equals to, we take any one of them, this sides, I have taken 4x minus y. Substitute these values. 4 into x is 12 minus y is how much? 8. 12 4s are 48 minus 8. The subtraction becomes how much? 40. Means that the value of L is equals to 40 units. Then we have to find out the value of another variable. Means that here is length, we can find out the value of its breadth. Now breadth is, you take 2y or x plus 4 also. Therefore breadth of rectangle is equals to 2y is equals to 2 into y is how much? 8. Means that 8 into 2 is 16 units. Here is also because unit is not given here. So this is length and breadth of the rectangle. Then we use this length and breadth to find out its perimeter and area. Now breadth denoted by using this b. Therefore first we can find out the perimeter of this example. The perimeter of rectangle addition becomes 56 into 2. The product becomes 2 6 are 12, carries 1. 2 5 are 10 plus 1 is 11. Means that 112. Here is the perimeter, so only you have to write here unit. Then second one is we can find out its area. So that area of rectangle is equals to, the formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth. Means that L into how much? Breadth means D. The value of L is 40 and the breadth is 16. Okay, 16 4s are 64 and these 0 as it is. This is the area, so unit is square unit. Student, we write the answer in full sentence. Therefore, answer. First, we have to find out its perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle is 112 units and its area means area of rectangle is 640 square units. This is the answer of the question number 2. Can you understand this? Okay, thank you. Let's see the very important example. Now the example number 3. The question is that the sum of the father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. This is the first condition. If we double the age of the father and add in to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Then find their present ages. Now student, we have to take here the present ages of the father and son. Then by using the first condition, sum of the father's age and twice the age of his son. म्हणजे वडिलांच्या वयामध्ये मुलाच्या वयाची दुप्पट जर मिळवली तर त्याची बेरीज किती येते? 70 येते. सेकंड काय सांगते? इफ वी डबल द फादर्स एज, म्हणजे फादरचं वय आता डबल झालं आणि त्याची ऍडिशन केली कोणाच्या वयाबरोबर? हिज सन्स एज, त्याच्या मुलाच्या वयात, तर त्यांची बेरीज येते 95. फाइंड देयर प्रेझेंट एजेस. Okay, let we take the present ages of the father and his son. So solution. Let the present age of father be X years and the age of his son be Y years. Okay, then by using first condition, this condition tells us that sum of the father's age and twice the age of his son, means that sum of the father's age be X and sum means addition, twice the age of his son means that twice Y is equals to how much? 70. This is our equation number first. Now then from second condition, what is this condition? Now when we observe here, if we double the age of father, fatherचं वय डबल केलं म्हणजे twice X and add म्हटले म्हणजे sum to its son age, son's age is Y years. At that time their addition becomes how much? 95. This is equation number how much? Second. Now when you observe equation first and second, if you multiply this equation second or first by any number, means that here equating coefficient of X or equating coefficient of Y, we get the values of X and Y. So here I have to multiply the equation first by 2. Therefore here multiplying equation first by 2 we get. I have to directly write it. Now when we multiply by 2 we get that twice x plus 4y is equals to 70 into 2 is 140. This is suppose equation number 3rd. Now observe second and third. Both having plus plus sign mean that you have to take its subtraction. So I have to write subtracting equation second from equation third. म्हणजे तीनामधून आता दोन आपल्याला काय करायचे मायनस करायचे. I have take this subtraction here. Now the equation second and third is that first I have to write the equation number third is 2x plus 4y is equals to 140. This is equation number third. Here the equation second is 2x plus y is equals to how much 95. This is equation number second. Student, when we subtract these two equations, then the signs of second equations will changes. This is minus, this is also minus, and this is also minus. Student, then this 2x and this minus 2x get cancelled. From this 4y we subtract this y, we get that 3y. Then from this 140 we can subtract 95, then the remaining is 45, which having addition is plus because here the bigger number is 140. Now then these 3 goes to denominator, so that y is equals to 45 upon 3. When we simplify we get that this one is the 15, 3 is the 45. Mean that y value is equals to 50. Then we put this value into any one equation. So substitute this value into equation number first. So here substituting y is equals to 15 in equation first. Now the equation first is x plus 2y is equals to how much 70. Now substitute the value of y is 15 here. X plus 2 into 15 is equals to how much 70. 2 into 15 becomes 30. With that x plus 30 is equals to 70. Then transpose this 30 to this another side. This is minus, means that 70 minus 30. Then the subtraction is 40. Okay, means that the value of x is 40 and the value of y is 50. Means x is the present age of father and y is the present age of his son. So that the answer in full sentence. Answer. The present age of father is 40 years and his son is how much 15 years. Student, can you understand this? Very important example.